Hi, this is Imran here. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce you a contact form plugin. It's a free plugin, but using that plugin, you can create a very beautiful contact form on your WordPress website. So this is the plugin HappyForms, and in this video, I'll install and configure this plugin. So let's get to be started. I'm going to access the dashboard. Just head over to the plugins and click add new. In the search plugins field, just type HappyForms, and here you can see contact form plugin, and it's also HappyForms. So just hit install now and click activate. Once you have successfully installed and activated the plugin, you will see this pop up. You can add your email address here to get regular notifications or updates from HappyForms. But I'm going to click continue and just skip this step. Okay, hit continue here to skip the step. And here you can see on the left HappyForms. And under HappyForms menu, there will be some sub menu, all forms. And by default, it creates a form called sample form. And here is the link to create a new form, activity, integration, import, export, and upgrade link. So we are going to create a new contact form from the very beginning so that you can learn how to do that. Just a few easy steps. Okay, you can click add new either from here or here. I'm just going to click from here. Okay, once you have clicked on add new, then you will see this is the interface of creating a form. Actually, it uses the theme customizer. Here you can see customizer. Okay, and most of the guys who use WordPress are familiar with theme customizer. So it's very familiar interface. First of all, we are going to start naming the form. Here is the title and just name your form. I'm going to name it my contact form or just a contact form. Okay, just my name. Okay, here we just named the form, and on the right here you can see some field options. You can search for any specific text field, just short text, long text, email, single choice, multiple choice, and some other fields are just exclusively for the pro users. But as a free version, we can just completely build a contact form. We will just mostly use this short text, long text, and email, multiple choice options. So I'm not going to waste any time, just I'm going to add some fields. And when we click on here, and a field will appear here. So just give it a try. I'm going to click on short text, and at the same time, an option panel will open up here, and here will be the visual interface that we can see. Okay, and this is the name of this field. Okay, so I'm going to name it just first name. And you can see instantly it changes. I'm going to make it capital. Okay, and if you would like to change the position of this title, you can do. You have the control. Just here you can see title placement, above, left. You can bring it to below. You can bring it inside. But personally, I like to display as placeholder. Here you can see. And you can also hide the name of this field. But my personal choice is display as placeholder. That's great. And if you want, you can put a description of this field also. And here you can see a option that is more. What else we can do? We can just make it a required field or not required field, but I think it should be required. And the width. At this moment, here you can see this field is a full width field, but I'm going to make it 50% because I'm going to use last name here. So I'm going to make it half. So the width has been decreased. And if you want to design this field personally, I mean, if you are expert in CSS, then you can add a custom class here. But I think that won't be necessary. So that's all for first name field. Okay, I'm just going to click here. And now I'm going to add another short text. Just click on it. And instantly it appears here. Just I'm going to rename it to last name. And in the same way, I'm going to make display as placeholder. I'm going to make it capital. And I'm going to make it required. And I'm going to click on more to make the width half. So it's side by side. These two fields are side by side. Okay, and I'm going to add another field that will be a long text. Sorry, that will be also a short text. Just click on here and I'm just going to name it subject. In the same way, I'm going to just select this option, display as placeholder, and click on more. I'm going to make it full width. Okay, so this time I'll leave full width. So that's all. And again, I'm going to add an email field. Just click on this option and email. I'm going to select display as placeholder and it is required, and I'm going to make it full width. Require confirmation of the value. So confirm email, I think it's not necessary. Again, I'm going to add a big field, just a text area to receive message from the user. So this time I'm going to click on here, just this field, long text. I'm going to rename it to messages. Okay, again I'm going to display as placeholder. Here you can see you will have the option to limit the words and characters. Maximum words or minimum words, characters, and width. I think the maximum words will be 200. Okay, then it shows here. And the width will be half or full width. Okay. If you want, you can add other fields like multiple choice. Okay. And I think that's all for a simple contact form. What I'm going to do, I'm going to jump to the next step. So click on here. And this step is setup. Okay. Then here you can see confirmation message. Once the user has successfully submitted any text or message, then what it will show up: thank you, your response has been successfully submitted. And for error, this message will be shown, and an email address where you will receive the messages. Okay, I'm going to set this email address. Okay, then scroll down, and here goes the display name and email subject. Just scroll down. Here you can see submit form, and you can just change it to send message or only send. Okay, and another option, hide after submission. You can hide this form once the user has successfully submitted the form. I'm just going to check this. I'm going to navigate to the style section, and here you will find the option to style. I'm going to navigate to the general first, and here you can see the first option is width. You can set the form width by percentage or pixel. You can fix the width of this form by any certain value. Just say for example 400 pixel or 600 pixel, and it will be fixed. But according to your page layout, you can make it any percentage, just 80% or 90%. At this moment it is 100, but I'm going to just decrease it to 70% or 80% would be better. And here you can see padding. You can narrow or increase or decrease the value of this padding. And direction, it is left to right, but you can bring it to right to left. And display notice below the form or above the form. And here you can see color. You can change the color, and success notice color, error notice color. That's all. I'm going to get back, and here you can see title, and title display show or hide. I don't like to display the title. Here you can see I'm just going to click hide. Just get down. Now here you can see parse border and spacing. Here you can see show border or hide. You can hide the border. And border location, only bottom. Here it is, all sides. And do you want it to be a square? Just a square border, round border, peel border. Okay. So by this time you could see that this plugin has all the necessary options to beautifully design a contact form. Outer spacing, narrow or default, wide. You can narrow it or make it default. Inner spacing, narrow it. Okay, but default is good. And color, border color, you can change the border color. Here you can see, according to your website theme color, you can change the border color. Okay, just default. And border on focus, if you click on here, you can see the border focus color, but you can change the focus color anytime. I'm going to make it green. Okay, then if I click over here, then you see the green color. Okay, and background, just background color, but I think white background color is good. Not to use so much color, but you can change the background color on focus. Just Okay, on focus you can change the color if you like, but this color is not bad. Okay, but if you don't like, just click here default. Now I'm going to get back, and here you can see part label and text. Title alignment, it is on left, but you can make it center, but that won't look good. And title font size, just increase or decrease the font size of the title. Title font weight bold or normal. Title color, placeholder color. Okay, just get back, and now drop down. We didn't use any drop down option, so it's not necessary for us. And submit button, hide, show. Okay, full width, you can make the button full width. Font size, and color. Background color on focus, border color, text color, etc. Okay, then we are going, okay, now I'm going to click on save and close. Now we are here on, okay, after we have saved the form, then we were sent here. If you want, you can just again edit this form. Just click on edit, and you will see everything here. Just go to the next step, go to the next step, and get back to the previous step. Anytime you can come and change the field, or if you want, you can add any, what should I say, any field. So that's all. And if you want to remove any field, just click here and click on this delete, then it will be removed. Okay, just once everything is done, hit this save form button. Now click on this close sign, and here you can see the shortcut to use the form. Just click here to get the shortcut. Okay, and now I'm going to access to any page. Here is the page, contact form. I'm going to view it. It's blank, but I'm going to edit it. Just click here and use the shortcut block and write the shortcut and hit update. Now I'm going to see the preview. Just hit update. Now I'm going to preview it. Just open in a new tab, and here you can see the beautiful form. Okay, now I'm going to test this form. Just I'm going to put first name Imran, last name Imo, subject test, email address will be hello dot. I'm going to hit this button, send, and here you can see once the form has been submitted successfully, then the form is disappeared. Now I'm going to check my email address, and here you can see you received a new message from Imranimo. Just click on here and you see everything works perfectly. That's all. Okay, I think I could show you how to create a form like this. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to show you how to integrate this form using Elementor Page Builder. If you build your website using Elementor Page Builder, how will you do that? Okay, here you can see I have the Elementor Page Builder installed. If you don't know how to install or design your website using Elementor Page Builder, just go to my YouTube channel. On my channel you will find a playlist called Elementor Page Builder, and here you will find all the necessary tutorials on Elementor Page Builder. I will provide this link in the video description, and don't forget to check it. You will be able to learn about Elementor. Okay, so just I'm going to create a new page. Just contact form 2, and this time I will hit this button, edit with Elementor. Once you have successfully installed and activated Elementor plugin, and you will find this button. Okay, just click on it. And here you will find the interface. But what you will have to do, just click on this plus sign to create a section. Say for example, I'm going to add 2 column section. Just on the first column, I'm going to search for happy. And here you can see the happy widget. Just drag and drop here and select the form. Here you can see Imran. Okay, here you can see the sample form. This is the way to integrate the happy form on Elementor. Just okay, here it is. Just now you can see it works. Just hit update and just reload the page, and here you can see. So I could show you how to display the contact form using Elementor Page Builder. That's all about this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and check the video list I will provide in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video.